Ehambeni lapha nekuThemba Shabalala. Comment under his recent post. Themba TT Shabalala ku Instagram chomi. Comment under his recent post. Usho ukuthi uthanda ufunisa i-child support.
Hi. My name is Themba TT, better known as the Uncle. I'm very excited about what's happening on the 2nd of December, where we will be having a big event, Friends of R&B and Soul picnic. It's happening right there, Mapeta. But tell you what, my journey has been so beautiful. I started DJing around the age of 14 until today. I'm still behind the decks, and I can tell you that's my area of play, my area of fulfillment. And to all the people who will be coming through on the day, what can you expect? You'll expect a good time, the ambience, the vibe, the brotherhood, the sisterhood. It's all gonna be there. Just look good, get there early because the event starts so early. And then what inspired me and pushed me towards being a DJ, I don't know really. It's the passion, I suppose, because nobody has ever taught me to be a DJ. I just learned everything as I go. But there were guys like Naftali who would let me use his sound system. Growing up, he taught me everything in terms of how to deal from the business side and all of that. And I've never looked back since then. Through the years, I've been behind the decks and I've enjoyed it. Had so much fun. I'm still having so much fun. What does soul and R&B mean to me? Is more like asking a priest, what does the Bible mean to them? So it's one of those. My song for the day, the song that keeps me going, that picks me up, Mark Dorsey, People in Search of a Life. It's a big song. It's a song that says it's okay to have problems, but keep searching for that good life. It's gonna come one day. So yeah, for all the people coming through on the 2nd, make sure that your ticket is on your hand because we really need to have fun together. Let's hope with the heavens will open up and a whole lot of music will be played from as early as 11 o'clock in the morning until 2 a.m. We're just gonna have so much fun. My name is Themba TT, the Uncle. I'm gonna be with you on the day.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uthando Drags have father lapana go TikTok sana saying go to yena awufuna child support. So we know go to be Father's Day Saturday. Was it Saturday or Sunday? I'm not sure, but we Father's Day guys labang boba they know. So ukuthi beku Father's Day, and balwaning guys, they were posting their dads baby daddy madoda abo bapostile nje abantu busy okuphithethela kule weekend. And Uthando decided to do a video athi ucela abantu bayotshela baba wakhe uThemba Shabalala ukuthi ufuna i-child support kesana. Themba Shabalala, he is well known and we know ukuthi imali unayo. So girl uthi ucela abantu nje bayokhomenta kuma recent post akhe bamtshele ukuthi Uthando ufuna i-child support. And guess what, people did that kesana, because ngile page yabhuti ngabona bantu they were telling him ukuthi hayibo support Thando, hayibo uthi Thando ufuna i-child support. And I was like, hey bana, ave ninesibinzi ave ninesibinzi. It's not the first time Uthando atreka baba wakhe publicly ngale ndlela. It's not the first time zivamile kakhulu kumbona vele atreka baba wakhe amtshela ukuthi ufuna imali yesondlo yena. And people is saying ukuthi ungasasho wena girl thina sikuphethe sidomila nowe siyokumtshela. And people were flowing comments alobabe ukuthi awusupport ingane ingane yakho lithi ifuna imali yesondlo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.